Seats out, guys, and I'll pull those seats back, right back. Yeah.
I do it.
Okay, guys, let's go. Touch gloves.
Yeah, it's
Oh, good shot right now. Great outside fucking double up counter. Oh,
Okay, stop. One.
Yeah.
2.
Fuck that, mate.
3.
The referee said
4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Now the referee will ask you to put your gloves up and he'll go like this. See if you're okay. Your nervous system can't do that. Okay, alright guys?
you're shot Bugsy.
Yeah, shot Bugsy, we'll stop it.
Keep going.
Hey, give it in the leg kick. Come on.
You right? Yeah.
You can hold on, you can hold on, but I'll break you if you do it, okay? So
30 seconds.
part of strategies.
30 seconds. Check this. Check it.
That's it. Well done, brother.
Okay. Alright. Good one. Leg kicks, mate. Check it, eh? Okay, straight into the ice pack room. Okay, hip you off. Ice pack's on. Okay.
Alright, you'll let me.